Today, we're only doing a short 10-mile hop to the next island to the northwest, Cayal Cabones. Unfortunately, there was not any wind to sail, and since we were on the outside of the reef, we didn't have to dodge shallow spots and coral heads. So it was a perfect time to fly the drone and get footage of the 3 boats underway. And a small pod of dolphins greeted us as we were pulling into the anchorage. Very cool! Okay. The water is so clear. Yeah. Slow down. The anchorage of Cayal Cabones is the largest and most popular anchorage in the Garden of the Queen. There was another liveaboard cruiser boat here, and also a boat full of divers. These were the first boats that we've seen in over 7 days. Our friends Andy and Laura from Sandy Beach said the Jardines de la Reina was known for its shark diving. So we got on their boat and we went out looking for some sharks. But before we could get in the water with the sharks, we had to learn a little bit about them, about what to look for, how to tell a happy shark from a not so happy shark. Laura gave us a presentation about sharks and explained to us that sharks are not dangerous. While Laura was giving the presentation, Andy was out chumming for sharks. Within minutes, a 10-foot silky shark arrived. Andy and Laura got in the water first to observe the shark and make sure it would be all right with all of us in the water with it. Once they gave us the okay, it was time to get suited up. The girls from Sandy Beach are used to swimming with sharks, but this will be Tyler and Cole's very first time. were in the water with the sharks for about 2 hours, and there were 3 sharks swimming around with us. The sharks were as curious about us as we were of them. They were not dangerous or aggressive in any way. After we got out of the water with them, it was time to give them a treat. Andy and Laura gave them a couple cans of mackerel. As you can see, they practically hand-fed them. The biggest shark even let Andy pet her. Swimming with the sharks and seeing them in their natural environment was an awesome experience. So many times you only hear bad news about sharks, but today we learned how graceful and beautiful they actually are. We want to say thank you to our friends, the crew of Sandy Feet, for allowing us to have this experience and sharing with us their passion for saving sharks. You can find links to their information about sharks in the description of this video. Thank you to all the viewers following along on our journey. And if this is the first time you're watching, please subscribe so you don't miss an episode. Just click on that red subscribe button on your screen.